What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Happy Monday. We're going to go over BTC. Currently sitting at 55,000 US dollars, up 1.2. Market cap 1,090 billion. 24-hour volume 24 billion. So if we pop into the charts, the bullish scenario is we continue to push up. Now, what you want to see for a bullish scenario is we put in a right shoulder, and then we come up and we break that neckline. Of course, you could just see a straight push, which would also be bullish if we can break the resistance of about 58.5K. But I think it's likely if we are going to see a bullish scenario, we put in that right shoulder, and then once we push up, we break that neckline. That's confirmation. If we fail to do so, we roll over and we lose 52.6K. I do have a bearish scenario off the bear market low. So you have the first wave 1, wave 2, and then within that 1, 2, 1, 2, pushing up in a 3, coming back down in a 4, and in the wave 4 you have a WXY. The wave Y consists of an ABC pattern. So if that were to continue to play out, if we do lose 52.6K, then I would expect Bitcoin to come down, break this wick, potentially come down to 49.2 or 49K before bouncing back to the upside and just continue to go through this correction consolidation, which is very normal after a Bitcoin halving and especially before the US election. So that's what I'm looking at for BTC. The key level is if 52.6K breaks, and we can look at that bearish scenario. However, if we can push up, put in a right shoulder, and especially we can come up and break that neckline right around 57.5K, then we can see a nice push back to the upside. All right, gang, that's what we're looking at for Bitcoin. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX, one of the few exchanges to trade futures in North America. It is available worldwide. No KYC, no VPN. 10% back on every single one of your trading fees when you sign up through my link. Top of the comments. Make sure to join my free Discord where I give crypto analysis for many projects as well as Forex signals. We absolutely crushed it last month in August, adding 54% to our accounts, risking 2% per trade, which is insane. So if you have a 100K account, that's over 50K profit. 10K account, that's over 5K. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button. You can check out my tutorial for BITUNIX. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.